What's going on? So listen, when you're feeling sad or worried, it's like having a big gray cloud inside your heart. Can make you feel yucky, can make you feel stuck. The good news is though, you can make that cloud go away. Now, one way to do it is to talk to somebody that you trust, like a parent or a teacher, a friend. I like to talk to God. And, they can listen to you and help you feel better. If it's something you don't really want to share, just talk to God. No one has to know. Another way to feel better is to move your body. When you run, dance, jump, it sends happy messages to your brain. There's endorphins. You can even imagine that you're blowing away the gray cloud with a big happy blow. You can also draw pictures or make art to express how you're feeling. It's like taking a picture of the cloudy day and then drawing a big sun to chase it away. It might seem childish if you think about it, but these things work. People have made it work. So taking care of your mental health is like taking care of a special garden inside your heart. You need water, you need to water it to feel happy, get your happy thoughts back, feed it with some good food, give it rest when it needs. And, when you do, you're going to feel happy, strong, bright, and like a beautiful flower blooming over the sun. Also, you got to know that it takes time. These things take time. Sometimes you got to be patient with it. You have to trust the process and know that eventually it'll go away. It's not always going to go away right away, but you have to pray and you gotta work out some way. I'm telling you, get your heart rate up, and if you're on antidepressants, you gotta stop that. Pharmaceutical companies don't make money if you have that stuff anyway. You know what I mean? They need to keep you sick to keep making money.